While getting ready for a Texas sidewalk recipe, I received a visit from my arch enemy, the bad seasoning dealer.
Hey fool, get over here. I heard you also work on cars. I can't pop my trunk and you need to fix it now. Right now.
Alright man, calm down. I'll take a look at it. Don't worry.
And don't be snooping around in my stash in the trunk. Just do your job.
Sheesh, this guy sure is a people person. Alright, let's see what we got. First lift the trunk latch to see what happens. Not a dang thing. Next let's do some troubleshooting. Let's see if the trunk will open with the remote. And it does. That tells me the locking mechanism is working just fine. Now I'm going to try using the key. And here's where I noticed something wrong. The key slot was actually in the horizontal position. It should be vertical. When I turned the key, I heard a pop and the trunk opened. Now I tested the trunk latch and lo and behold, it works. Not sure what caused that to happen, but here's something else to check if that doesn't work. Open the trunk and locate these two clips. Carefully pry them out with a screwdriver, or you can use one of these trim removal tools. They definitely come in handy and won't damage any clips. I'll leave a link in the description. Pull down the cover and you'll see the mechanism that connects to the trunk latch. This is the wire that is connected to the latch. This is how it operates under normal conditions. Sometimes the part that I'm holding right here will come loose from the groove that looks like a C, either from hitting a bump or from just normal car vibrations. And if it's loose, it will not operate and it will keep your trunk from opening. Simply grab the part with the gray collar and slip the notch into the groove. You should hear a snap. Now it works without an issue. Place the cover back on along with the two clips. Close the trunk and wait, what the heck is this? It kind of looks like my SPG, salt, pepper, garlic seasoning that my good seasoning dealer sells. But it's red. He's trying to sell a fake inferior seasoning product in my homie's territory. I got something for him. Let me remove my emergency banana in the tailpipe kit with one ripe banana. Locate the tailpipe and stuff it in until it can't go in any further. Alright homie, you're good. All done.
Man, you're alright, Funky Cold. It's hard to find a good, honest mechanic. Ha 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 ha. Sucker, I'm gonna take over this territory and sell all the bootleg SPG seasoning I can. Wait, what the heck is going on? What's wrong with my car? Dang you, Funky Cold, I'll get you for this.
If you're wondering who the heck is the bad seasoning dealer and what are Texas sidewalk recipes, I'll leave you with a video and a playlist to catch up on how my channel became so popular. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.